In this video, I'll show you how to smoothly fade in and fade out audio in DaVinci Resolve. Here you can see both the video and audio clips added to the timeline. The audio is longer than the video. First, drag this section to make the audio waveform visible. Then find the point where the music should fade in and reach normal volume. At the beginning of the clip, there's a small white marker. Simply click and drag it, and the fade-in starts working. For a smoother effect, drag the middle white point to change the straight fade into a curved fade. At the ending, use the blade tool to trim both the audio and the video to the same duration. Then repeat the same steps at the end to create a clean fade-out effect. And that's how to create smooth fade-in and fade-out audio in DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching.